Good morning to our Saturday weekly update on ABGO, one of the best AI stocks on the planet. Now, we have covered it from day one. It's one of the best of the breeds for great bull rallies. But when we get to the top, we had a 4-day drawdown and a 3-day pop right back into resistance. What that does on ABGO is it brings in the $180 put options that I purchased at $11, and I did, and the last print was 11.10. That's on the 180 put November 15th on ABGO, one of the best bulls out there, with a run identifying that top resistance right there. There is the double top if it hits it. Right now, we're going to add to the put side for the month of November 15th on ABGO. Look for resistance to hold and look for another pullback, just like we called the pullback. And we went long ABGO and we made a ton of money on the bull side. And the bear side, it pulled back 4 days, went up 3 days. Buy now, pay later, start your account. You can pick what you want. Get it now. You don't have to have a stock account. You don't have to have credit. Get it now.